Hello, pandas and other scrap enthusiasts. Today, I am particularly enthused because today we are having, well, it's not we, this is a very special day. The city of Calgary, that's where I live, has, they're doing a citywide treasure hunt, which means it's actually going to be kind of like what every other dumpster diver and trash picker gets to do. Everybody is encouraged to put all their junk that someone else might still be able to use out on their front yard with a big free sign. So that's the plan. We got the truck all cleared out and the teenagers loaded up, and we're gonna go see if we can find some sweet, sweet treasure. Come on, it'll be fun. I see the first pile. Oh, the record isn't in there. Metal puzzles? Cool. Ooh. Michael Jackson. Jimi Hendrix. I will take this. I kind of want to find out what that is. And then DVD. Oh, Paw Patrol capes. That is quite a few movies.
Well, some people go for the movies and some people go for the books and
some people go for the hats.
Right. You know?
I don't know what
Price
exactly
is
I'm
right.
going for. Yeah, there you go. Those ladies down there in the orange matrix, they had a whole bag full of copper and brass plumbing ends and fittings. I just missed out. But I just got Good Morning Vietnam on Blu-ray. I found another one. What is that? Actieri Daisy Versatility. What is this? Is this an air fryer? I don't know what this is. Active fry. Oh, it's like an air fryer, but it like rotates some stuff. Hi. Take that. Woo. Love lifting heavy objects. Thank you. All right, so what was that? We got a bunch of, we got a weight rack with a bunch of weights and a magic bullet, a bag full of magic bullet accessories. Because mine is getting kind of old, crappy, broken, and I was looking to replace parts of it. But the weights, honestly, what I'm most excited about there is not lifting heavy objects. I do that all the time. But the brake rotors are not really the best patio stones. They're actually kind of ankle breakers, especially in the dark. They're not great. But plate weights, those are at least even thicknesses. So that seems a little better for the purpose. We're gonna try those. Manual, auto. Okay, this is kind of cool. A patio and deck light set. I don't want that. I don't suppose there's any tops for a Yeti. Nope. That's fine. That's kind of cool. Oh, little transport thing. I don't think I need it. doing rodent traps. Those are kind of cool. Yeah, I'm alright on those. Okay. It's actually kind of nice. What is this? This is a Volvo part. It's like a pet barrier? Don't know.
It's for a Volvo.
Yeah, but it's a strange shape. Is it like a pet barrier?
So your stuff doesn't go flying. It goes across.
Oh, okay. It's like a cargo
Yeah.
contain.
If you're into reselling, I'm sure you can sell it.
Probably. I mean, I am into reselling as well. But I wonder. I'm actually looking at these and trying to think of where I'd put them in my house because they're super cute.
Yeah.
Oh, we got the soda stream. We got the soda stream.
Yes. This is a lot of whatever these are.
And I don't know what those are for. And, oh. I like that. I want that. I don't know what I want it for, but I want it. And then what is this? Shelf type thing? Well, this cat thing is kind of cool. Birds. Actually, wouldn't mind finding a place for those birds, but espresso and coffee spoons. It's like a laundry organizer. Game of Thrones. Some of the seasons. Requiem for a Dream. And Hook. Neat. Yeah. I could wash somebody's feet with it.
I guess.
Iron Man. I don't know what the... Oh, he's got a Superman poster board. And a something raceway. I don't know what these are, but they're metal. And so is that. Maybe the... But what about the grill? What about the grill? Wait a second. That's a hammock. All right, camp stove. Tiny foosball. Tiny work-offs. It's free stuff day. It's free stuff day. I don't know what you're grinning about. This is sick as hell. Well, that's coming with me. Maybe this fits Wub. Let's go find out. That's a quality pair of shorts. Old Navy Active. Finally, some metal.
Let go. Oh, I see what you mean. Okay.
Huh.
And then run it.
I prefer metal objects, but I'm gonna take this. All right, bit of a change of plans. That was fun, but I'll be honest, it was a bit of a, it was kind of like yard sailing, but way worse. I actually prefer just trash picking and dumpster diving because the quality of stuff, I wasn't crazy about the quality of stuff that we were finding, and it was a much slower pace than just yard sailing. So the teenagers didn't find it that engaging, which is fair because neither did I. But we did come home with a couple neat things, and we're going to spend the rest of the day doing more typical treasure hunting. As you can see, there's a bunch of metal in the back of the truck that wasn't there before, and I put all of the other pieces from the previous run we didn't finish back. And then the stuff I'm not bringing in today are these weights, the brackets, the Coleman stove, and a stainless steel sink with a little bit of brass on it. And then there are a couple things I stashed in here. We'll save for later. We got a lamp, a cool jug, a hammock, a bunch of kitchen parts, a stainless steel pot thingy, and a bunch of DVDs. Yeah, not a bad collection. But we have a new friend who is doing some yard cleanup and wants us to come along and help haul away all the metal junk that he doesn't want to see anymore. So that's what we're going to do right now. A telescope? Well, I hope we got a new telescope.
No.
Jesus. Oh, this isn't telescope parts, though. That's heavy.
No, that's off a treadmill.
I don't know what a treadmill needs that for, but cool. All right. Get it loaded up. Well, that'll definitely help. Got a great start already. I love it. So we might as well continue the treasure hunt in the way that we know how. And look. Love it. What have we here? There's a power cord. Steel and aluminum. Cool. That looks pretty new. Those are cool. Good enough. Huh. I have never seen this style before, but it looks like someone would buy it. Neat. Oh. Plastic gutters. Okay. I see potential. I'm trying to. Yeah, I mean, that's what I'm after. There's quite a heap in here, so I might not get all of it, but
It's money, right?
as long as you don't mind. Appreciate it.
I'm sure they won't mind either.
Okay, I'm actually gonna try. Cord. All right. Whatever here. Little aluminium. And then good in here. A little bit. Not a lot, but that's all right. Neat. Well, we certainly could fit a little more if we wanted to also, but it is getting kind of late and everything is kind of rattling around in there. So I feel like I want to go see what this is, what this stuff is worth. So I'm gonna get it all strapped down, looking real good, and let's take it on in and see what we got in there. A few treasures we'll be bringing home too, including my new friend Al, just around the corner there. That's who I was chatting with. He was showing me his treasure collection, his junk piles. He had some cool stuff, including a bunch of bottles. And he asked me if I wanted them. I did, but I don't collect bottles. I don't have a space for like a lot of vintage bottles, but I grabbed one. It's a ceramic one. Hand cast porcelain, made in West Indies, made in China. I don't know when this was from, but it's real neat. 47.75% rum. Whoa. Why the heck wouldn't you cut all the copper out of that? The thing's just loaded. Big old compressor. Stainless steel all the way around the outside. Ridiculous. Lazy. Just lazy. Well, unloading this is going to be a multi-step process, but at least we didn't lose anything. That is our delivery. All right, well, we are back, and that is a chill $55. But that's not all, because we also came home with some treasures. We've got, well, a cool bottle for one thing, but also there's a bed frame and some cool-looking pendant lamps that we're gonna see if we can try and sell. I'm gonna have to wash up the glass in the pendant lamps a little bit. Easy flip, I should think. I guess we'll find out. I can't quite tell if it's a queen size. It kind of looks like it's probably a double. This video ended up being shorter than I expected, so hey, might as well throw this in here. I've been meaning to bring this up. The merch store, thubstore.com. Pretty sure it's thubstore.com. It's just not really, I'm not really feeling it anymore. I might replace it in the future, I'm not sure, but it mostly just costs me money, so it's not really, I didn't expect to like make a bunch of money off of it, but I thought it would at least, you know, break even, and those of us who were interested would have some cool, I think they're cool, shirts and hoodies. But it's not really financially feasible to keep it going because it hasn't, it has never once turned a profit. So Shopify fees are expensive. So this isn't a, you know, limited time closeout, blah blah. Like, I'm not trying to rush anybody or motivate anybody. I'm just saying if you ever wanted one, you know, probably go grab one now, because I'm gonna cancel it, and that'll be it. So I think we've sold a total of, including the ones that I've given away or grabbed for myself, it's still less than 20 hoodies, and I think it's a pretty cool hoodie design. So, you know, it is a limited product. And just to be absolutely crystal clear, I'm not making any money on it either way. Shopify fees have absolutely inhaled any profit that could have been there. So this is not me saying, trying to push people to spend their money. Just check out the designs. If you want some pretty uncommon merch from one of your favorite YouTubers. And I may bring it back later. I may. But the truth is, the paperwork around tax time just kind of stresses me out, and one less thing to think about is great. So, I kind of feel like I did the merch thing, and I'm over it. I'm probably not going to make some big announcement of the store closing final. This is probably the final thing, because I've only got, I've got other things that I'd like to bring up and other more exciting plans on the way. So, thubstore.com. There you go. And then some stuff back here. So a few more rotors, some prepared steel that we didn't bring in, and a couple bits and pieces of aluminum and stainless and wire in the bucket in the back. So pretty chill day. Not too mad about it. And I think if the city does this citywide treasure hunt thing again as like an annual thing, probably now that I know what it kind of looks like, probably better to target specific, like at least start by aiming for specific ones that have advertised them on Facebook or whatever, and probably try and grab things that I think I can fix up and resell, because it doesn't seem like there's going to be a whole lot of scrap metal. It's just not the way most people think about, reusable items. And big thanks to Carlisle for calling us up to help clear his yard, because that definitely helped. And a big thanks to you for coming out and joining me on this fine day. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. So leave it better than you found it, and keep doing the thing.